Companies that seem to be executing are kind of doing okay, whether it's a McDonald's or even UPS. What happened with Walmart, and what does that say about the overall stock market and the economy?
Well, Joe, my own opinion is that this is a little bit, of course, could be wrong, disclaimer, but I think this is a rally in a bear market. I do think there is a transition away from goods and towards services. That's clearly hurting a company like Walmart. And I think there are good companies out there, and the economy is still strong enough, in my opinion, that good companies can execute. The real issue, it seems to me, though, is that there has been a very significant regime change in our monetary policy, which means that more marginal companies that have been very dependent upon on capital markets, and particularly the private markets, in my opinion, they're going to be much more under strain. The companies that we're talking about the last couple of days, these are fortresses. These are blue chip companies that have permanent capital. There's an awful lot of companies still out there, in my opinion, that are quite speculative. And in my opinion, that's where the real issues are going to come for investors.
Well, it's Fed week again. It seems like every week is Fed week. Maybe that's part of the problem. But do you expect the conundrum that Jay Powell finds himself in, the Fed finds itself in, do you expect that to result in new lows in the S&P in the next 6 months?
I actually think so in the cycle. I mean, I think it's going to be a combination of the idea that the Fed, in my opinion, does not have the luxury of worrying about financial asset prices. It has to focus on inflation. Generally speaking, the Fed funds rate doesn't stop moving up until it's higher than the rate of inflation. And so I think some of these expectations that the Fed is going to start easing next year, in my opinion, are maybe overly optimistic, particularly for growth investors. I also think we are in the midst of a slowdown, and we could debate whether we're technically in a recession right now. But I do think profits are slowing. I think unemployment claims are at an 8-month high. The yield curve is inverted. A lot of the things that you would normally look at that would give you an indication of where we're headed would suggest the economy is going to slow further still.